Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at activity 17a. The question says open the file activity17a.rtf, change the page size to A4 and orientation to portrait. Okay, so let me just do that first of all, which is the first sentence. Okay, so let me open activity17a.rtf. So I want to open my source file. I want to go to chapter 17 and then open this. Right now, before I go on, I want to save it as task 7, activity 17 a. Okay, so let me just look for my okay, yeah, this is 17 a. So I want to save it as a Word document. All right. So it's going to be activity 17a, which is okay. I think it's okay the way it is. So I'll save that. Yes. Okay. Okay. So what's so it says that the page size should be A4. So you want to go to layout. Let me just open the dialog box here. I want to go to paper here. You want to make sure it's in A4 right here. Let me see what other thing. I can't remember. What was that? So orientation is supposed to be portrait. So you want to go to margin. You want to set the orientation to be portrait. I'll okay that and see how it looks. Oops, it's funny. Well, let's go on. Okay. Set all the margins to 4 cm and remove the gutter. Okay. So let's go back right there again. So we want to first of all set all the margins to 4 cm. So I'll just do that. The bottom and the outside. Okay. So I want to make the what's it called, the gutter. I want to make it 0. So remove the gutter. Let me be sure of the page orientation. Okay, so 4. So we're good. And yeah, so let me just okay that and see how it looks. No, fair enough. Okay, so done. So place the date on the left. Okay, the file name in the center. Okay, so let me just so of course in the head, it has to be in the header, right? So the name at the left. So I want to go to insert. You want to go to header. I'll take this. So mine, place the date on the left. Okay, so I want to place a date here, date right here. Today's date is 27th April, so I'll just use that. Center should be the file name. So I want to quickly go to document information. I want to have file name right there. So I'll click on the right. I want to have what's the next one? The time on the right. Okay, so time. So let's have time right there. Waste time. So here, no time here. So I'm gonna go to file. So I want to go down to, is it time? Let me see file. Okay, so let me go to T. So where's time? Okay, that's it right there. So I want to take this one. I'll okay that, and that's it, right? So I'll exit that. Okay, so what's the next? So everything here done. Yeah, I will just select everything here. Yeah, that's it. Place your name on the left and an automated page number on the right in the footer, right? Okay, so I'm going to go to open the file. So insert, go to the footer. You want to use this again. So let me see. Place your name on the left and then automated page number on the right. So I want to remove the center. So my name should be here. So I'm going to, which is the left. So Kechuku Amaleko is my name. All right. So here I want to add the page number. So you want to go to page. You want to insert the page number at the current location. So and this is the type of page I want, and then I have it right there. Okay, good. So what's the next thing here? Ensure that the header and footer are 2 cm from the top and bottom of the page respectively, right? Okay. So what we want to do, we want to go to also a header. Okay, so let me just click on that header, so it will be selected here. So you find out that it's about 2 cm. Sorry, 1.25 cm from the top. So I want to take it to 2. As you can see, it's shifting, right? So I want to make the same thing, do the same thing for the footer. So I'll close that. So that's it. What's the next thing there? So print the document, save the file with a new file name, so which is activity 17C, sorry, 17A, which I've done already. Okay. So thank you so much. I think that's about it. So I will just simply save my changes. All right. So thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm looking at activity 17B. The question says, open the file you saved in activity 17A, change the body text of only the first page so that it is set in 2 columns with a 1 cm spacing and a vertical line between the columns. Save the file with a new name. Okay, so let's go and open activity 17A. So the first thing we want to do is to actually save it as activity 17B. So I'm going to do that, activity 17B, right? Good. So we want to actually make the first, I think, yeah, change the body text of only the first page so that it is set in 2 columns with a 1 cm spacing and a vertical line between the columns. So what we want to do here is to just select the body text. So I'm going to ignore the heading over there. So I'm going to select the body text of the first page here. So I want to go to layout. You want to go to columns. So you want to go to more columns right here, and then want to make it 2, right? So the spacing, so you want to check on the line between. You want to check on that. So of course the spacing is 1 cm. So you want to make the spacing here. So let me remove this to be 1 cm. And then you can okay that. So ensure that you select from here, apply to selected text. Okay. So you want to okay that, and that's about it. All right. So that's about it. So thank you. Also save your changes, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at activity 17C. The question says, open the file saved in activity 17B, change the page margins to 2 cm and the alignment of the header and footer to fit the margins, right? So ensure that the header and footer are 1 cm from the top and bottom of each page. So let me just select this. So I'm going to do this next. So let me open the activity 17B, right? So I want to save that as activity 17C. So let's do that quickly. All right, so I want to set the margins to 2 cm. So you go to layout and then launch the dialog box for page setup. So we want to make this to be 2 cm, all the margins to be 2 cm. All right, good. So obviously we want to make sure that it is on the whole document. It's applied on the whole document. So for the 1 cm for the top and bottom, sorry, the header and footer to be 1 cm from the top. So let's take care of that. So you want to go to layout. You want to ensure that from edge, the header is 1 cm and then the footer is also 1 cm. And then you want to apply this to the whole document also. So you want to okay that, and that will take care of that. So if you click on the header, you will see that the header and footer here, the distance, the header from top and bottom, they're all 1 cm, so we're good to go, right? So the next question, add a new title, Arctic blast grips the United Kingdom, at the start of the document. So let me just copy that and then have it at the start of the document. So copy that and then go to the start, enter, and then go up, click, and then paste. Oh no, I don't want that. I want this type of pasting, so I have to assume the same type of formatting. Okay, so I want you to take note of something from with the hide show button here, or show hide button here. You will see that there's a section break here, which is continuous. Okay, so let's take note of that as we work here, right? So that being said, so let's do the next question. Okay, so place the two titles on a single portrait page with a single column, right? Okay, so the two titles. So what I'm going to do here to get this done, I'm going to break this. I'm going to add a section break here, okay, from this cursor here. So I want to go to layout again. I want to go to break. I will take the next page, right? So that every other thing will move to the next page, right? Good. So by default, now the first page is in portrait, right? Good. So let me just remove this section, this first section break continuous, which is continuous. Let me just remove that. Okay. So the next thing will be to, let me see, place two titles. The two titles on a single portrait page with a single column. So let me just be sure that that's a single column. That will have a single column here. So I want to go to column. I want to go to more columns. I want to make sure it's one single column. Okay, so that's done. So all other text should be on landscape pages, right? So what I want to do, the first page is already in portrait, which is the first section. So the second section which we added here was this from here, right? So I want to click on that second page. So you want to go to still that page layout dialog box. So you want to set the orientation to landscape, right? So, and I want to make it to be from this point forward, and then okay that. So that will make it landscape, and then make the first page to be portrait. Okay, good. So what's the next? The next thing is to, okay, so this done. So in 3, so all other text should be on landscape, which we've done. So in 3 columns with 1.5 cm column spacing. Okay, so let's make it 3 columns. So we want to select everything here, okay, and then go to columns. From the layout tab, you want to go to more columns. You want to make it 3. The column has to be 3, and then the spacing has to be 1.5. So you want to make sure that this is the selected section, and then remove this line between. Make sure it's removed, and then you can okay that. So we have something like this. Okay, let me reduce it so we can see that. Okay, so here I have this section break here. I don't know why it's there, so I'm going to actually remove it. Okay, so just click on it and then delete. Okay, so that will give us exactly 2 pages. One will be portrait, and one is going to be landscape, right? So I think that does it. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. So let me just save my changes first of all. So I will save that changes. That's it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Please leave a comment down below if you have any question or any concerns. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at activity 17D. The question says open the file activity 17d.rtf and place your name in the center of the header. So let me just do that first of all. So I want to locate activity 17d.rtf from the source file, chapter 17 source file. So I want to open activity 17 here, right? I want to save it as activity 17d in the format of Word, right? So I'll leave it like that. I want to locate my file 17 task. Yes, here. Okay. Yes. Okay. So I want to set the header. So let me just take this. So center here. So I want to set my name. I'm going to put my name Kechuku Anolefo is my name here. Okay. So I want to delete the left and the right here, and then close this. Let me just remove this. Okay. So that's that. So I put my name in the center of the header. Make only the title a 36-point sans serif font. Okay, a 36-point sans serif font. So this is the title here, right? This is the title. I'll make it 36 points. Sans serif should be Arial. Arial is okay. Sans serif font that is center aligned and fits in a single full width column. Okay, full width column. Okay, so let's go back there. Let's remove this column thing that is here. Let's just make it a full width. Let's go to layout. You want to go to more columns. You want to make it just one single column, right? Oh, sorry, I didn't select everything. Okay, let me just do that. Select all, and then go down. Let me make sure everything is on one single column. So we're good, right? So I want to make it center aligned here, center here, right? That's what it is. It's center aligned and fit in a single full width column, right? Okay, so we're good. So move the third paragraph, the third paragraph, so that it becomes the last paragraph. Okay, so let me look at the third paragraph. So here is the third paragraph, right? He and the other animals lived happily ever after. So I'm going to cut it. I want to get to the last line. I want to paste it right there. So that's it. Okay. What's the next thing here? So fully justify the body text. Okay, so let me just fully justify the body text. So from here down, okay, so I want to justify, select everything selected. So I want to make sure they're justified. Okay, and yeah, center align the second paragraph. Okay, so the second paragraph, this is the second paragraph here. So I'm going to center align it. Okay, so left align the third paragraph. So let's left align the third paragraph. This is the third paragraph here. So this is left aligned. So you want to make sure it's left aligned. And then what else? Right align the fourth paragraph. So the fourth paragraph, you want to make sure it is right aligned. Okay, what's the next thing there? So make the first word grew in the story 16 points. Okay, so let's look for the word grew. Can we find it anywhere? So let's use the Control F, which is find. Let's look for grew. Sorry, grew. Are you there? Okay, so this is the first one here. So we want to make it 16 points. Am I correct? 16 points. And the second grew 20 points. So the second one here is 20. Let's make it 20 points. Okay, and the third and the third to be 24 points. Okay, so let's make it 24 points here. Select it, make it 24 points. Good. Right. What else? Save a file with a new name, file name. With a new, sorry, with a new file name. So which we've already done. We already saved it as task 17D. So we'll just save the changes and then that's about it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at activity 17E. The question says open the file that you saved in activity 17D. Make the first paragraph single line spacing. Okay, so let me just get that done. So I want to go ahead and open my activity 17D. First of all, I want to save it as activity 17E. Okay, so let's do that now. So I want to have E right there and then save that. So I want to select the first paragraph, which is this one. I want to make it a single line spacing, which is just one, right? The next one will be the second paragraph to be made 1.5 line spacing. So I want to select the second paragraph here and make it 1.5 line spacing. So and the third paragraph double line spacing. So let me just go ahead to select the third paragraph, which is this, and then make it double, which is 2, right? So it says do not change the line spacing in the rest of the document. So we're not going to tamper with the rest of the document. So the next one will be to set the heading spacing to 12 points before, okay, and 24 points after the paragraph, right? So we want to, this is the heading, so you want to select the heading. You want to actually expand the paragraph group from home tab. So you want to see the spacing. So we want to make before to be 12 and then after should be 24. Let's see, 24 points. Let's be sure of the question. So 12 points before and then 24 points after the paragraph, right? So save the file with the name. So we've done that. So all that done. So we want to just okay that, right? And then 24 points after and then 12 points before. So the space here, up here, and then be space down here will be 24 and then up here will be 12. So that's what they are saying. All right, guys, I think that's about it. If you have any question, leave a comment down below. I'll be happy to answer that. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Thank you. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm looking at activity 17F. The question says open the file that you saved in activity 17C. Add the text history item 1. So let me just copy that as a new line to the start of the document. Okay, so let me just go ahead to open my activity 17C. Right, so first of all, let me save it as activity 17F. So let me just do that quickly. So I'll save that. So at the start of the line, I want to press enter and then go there and then paste my copied text. So I wanted to have, I think that's what the question says, format this text in the same style as the rest of the page. So let me just use format painter. So I'm going to select this and then use format painter to make it have the same style, right? Good. So that done. So change the title weather update to February 2009. So I'm going to copy that also. So I will select weather update here. I want to right click now. I want to use this option, keep text only. So I want to use that so that it will be able to assume the styles also. So, but just for convenience sake, I'll just select it. But if I know that it has the same style actually. Okay, so let's move ahead. So this done. Where are you? Yep, this done. So the next question says set all of the text on the first page to be spaced 5 lines apart. Okay, so let me just get this done first of all. So I'll go back there. You want to select everything here. You want to go to the spacing icon here. You want to click on it and then go to more options, right? So you want to go down to spacing down here, right? So what you want to do is to make sure that from this line spacing here, you want to make sure that multiple is selected, and then you want to make it at 5 cm. So you can okay that, and then everything will be equally be spaced 5 cm or 5 lines. Sorry, 5 lines apart. 5 lines apart, not cm, please. Okay, so that done. So and all other text in the document to be single line spacing with no spacing before each paragraph and 24 point spacing after each paragraph. Okay, so we want to go back there. We want to go back to the paragraph option. Then you want to go to, let me see, let me just read the question again. I forgot what I was doing. Okay, it's the spacing with no spacing before. So and all other text, okay, single line spacing. Okay, so we want to make this spacing to be single. So we want to make it here single line spacing. Okay, so that's fine. With no spacing before each paragraph and 24 point spacing after each paragraph. So I think what we need to do here is to the spacing here, we want to make it 0. We want to make this spacing before 0, and we want to make the spacing after, we want to make it to be 24 points, right? And then I think that will be, did I select that? I don't think I did I? No, our interest is this one, please. What am I even doing? Our interest is here, the rest of the text here. Okay, please pardon me. All right, so let me just go back again, and we want to make sure it's let me just be sure. Okay, it has to be single line spacing, and then of course before should be 0, and after should be 24. Okay, so I think that's about it. Let me see. Yeah, okay, so let me just first of all, okay, so I think there's another question right there. So indent all paragraphs on the second page by 5 mm, which is about 0.5 cm, right? So I think let's add everything at the same time. So let's do indentation. So let's make it by, let's just push this to 0.5. Let's make it 0.5. Okay, and then that's about it. So I can just click, and then this is what we have. Okay, all right, so that's about it. I think save your file with a new file name. So I think we've done that already, so I'll just click on save. All right, so thank you guys for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.